आज का हमारा टॉपिक डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन कार्टिलेज एंड बोन्स यानी कार्टिलेज और बोन्स में क्या फ़र्क होता है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले कार्टिलेज। नंबर 1, अ फ्लेक्सिबल टाइप ऑफ स्केलेटन। Number 2, it is made up of cells called chondrocytes embedded in a matrix of a protein called collagen. Number 3, it is much softer than bones as well as flexible. Number 4, calcification does not take place. Number 5, it covers the ends of the bones and joints. Number 6, no blood vessels penetrates cartilage. अब आते हैं बोन्स की तरफ। नंबर 1, harder type of skeleton. Number 2, it is made up of cells called osteocytes embedded in a matrix of a protein called collagen. Number 3, it is harder due to the deposition of calcium phosphate. The process is called calcification. Number 4, calcification takes place. Number 5, it supports the organ consists of an outer shell of compact bone. Number 6, blood vessels can penetrate bone, especially spongy bones. Thanks for watching.